When all
Yes.
right. So when we say, suppose in some of the companies, they don't go for the application, they go for only ETL testing. So they have different databases. So you have to
Yeah.
count
These kind
source
of
and target.
databases testing you can do with Java. Like it's not related to
Oh,
Selenium. You need to know something called as JDBC coding in Java. So Java has the flexibility of connecting with MySQL, SSMS,
mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
PostgreSQL, MongoDB, Cassandra. We can connect to all these five databases. And what do you mean by ETL? ETL means what? The transform. Like we get the
Exactly,
data from one
exactly.
data.
Extract, transform. Yes, yes.
Yeah, extract,
And
transform,
load.
and
And
what was
load.
that?
Load to the target.
Yeah. So we can do this kind of testing using Java also. In fact, you can say it's all about comparing one collection to another collection. Still, you'll
Mm-hmm.
you'll find it fun because ultimately what you do, you have to compare the data that is present in one database to another database. You can do the scripting in Java also because I
Okay.
did it for one of
So you mean Selenium is used only for application testing and
testing,
automation, not for ETL, right?
not for ETL, only for web-based
Oh, okay,
applications
okay,
we use it.
okay.
But
I
if you
got it.
want to do
Okay.
the same technology of ETL, you can use it in Java also. But the scripting, you need it more. That is why we have these tools like Informatica. In olden days, we have Informatica. I have not
Yeah, yeah.
seen the latest tools. So what these tools do is the same thing. What I'm writing the code in Java, same thing they're writing there.
Mhm.
Only thing is you'll have a nice GUI in front of you. That's it.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. So with this course, you said okay for the applications they will be perfect, and you said ASP something word you use. So
REST API.
API. Okay, well, what is
API.
API actually we do with this application?
It's not API is something like you have a phone pay. Now when you make a
Hmm.
payment, the QR code scan happens, automatically it goes to
Okay,
merchant account. How it happens? Because of the backend APIs, backend engineering
okay,
stuff.
okay.
So automatically
Okay.
linked to the backend stuff and it will have
Hmm.
the core business logic of it. Like when I'm making a payment, the payment should go through the another account. How does it happen? It's a backend engineering code. So via API calls, well, different API calls, which has the core business logic of it.
Oh,
That is
okay.
where you have the core business logic. So how do you test the APS? So that's a whole lot of a subject. It's too early for me to explain also.
No, that's fine. So you will be taking some live examples and some projects, and will be expert in all these things, right?
Yeah, see, APIs, whatever public APIs are available, uh,
Hmm.
then I can deal with it. There are some private APIs which you pay and you can get it. Those I cannot do it. Which are open
Oh,
public to
I know
everyone.
that.
Those I can say the same thing. You can use it in your company.
Okay, okay, that's good. Now, one more thing. Now, I have missed actually these your two classes. So, in these
It's
two classes,
okay.
as I
It's
could,
okay. Today's is the most important strings. Strings is like the bread and butter of any automation engineer.
no, that's true. What my question was actually, I suppose I'm going to download whatever you took in your very first class.
Mm,
Okay, how to install
mm,
Selenium, how to install Java, and
mm.
this. So, if I'm stuck, so I will be getting help from your team.
Yeah, I will only clear your doubts. Any technical things
Okay,
you get in touch with me. Okay.
oh, okay, okay, okay. That was my thing. Okay. All right. And what's the last date to complete this course? Means
We
when
don't
this will be
have.
complete?
I'm not so sure with the last date because in between we'll have breakout sessions. In between we'll have quizzes and all. We are planning to conclude within 45 to 50 days, but it might take
Oh,
more than
okay.
that because we have to help you do some assignments, give you some time for
Mm-hmm.
solving these quizzes. Because if you don't solve all these quizzes, then it's a waste of time for you, right?
Oh,
Sometimes
yeah,
you don't
that's true. That's
practice.
true.
So these are all a lot of factors are there. It'll never be less than
Right.
45 days. It'll be more than 45 only.
Okay. Okay. So whatever you discuss in your initial classes. So right now, suppose you are writing this program, Java program. So
Hmm.
after the installation, I will also be
Yeah,
able
you
to
can
run
also
this
do.
program. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
there is a separate thing called as GitHub. You can clone the code and you can do it. That is separate thing. That is not happening right now. Today we are just discussing the Java concepts and you have to practice the same in your system.
So how to practice this? Whatever you are doing, you just
Yeah,
mentioned.
you will go through the recording again.
Oh, recording. Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you. So sorry, I took that much time. I'm good.
Mhm. What is the issue you're getting, Pratiksha? Directory.
Yeah,
I
I'm
need to see your
I'm not
installation
able.
once. I need to see your installation. Oh,
Okay.
this is project location. Project location should be in your D drive or it should be in your users. It should not be in program
Okay.
files.
Okay. I can keep in any file, right?
Yeah, you can keep any location whichever you're comfortable. But when you
Okay.
want to map JDK, that is when you need this bin path. If it does not
Mm-hmm.
automatically detect.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. So Senthil, API testing is the heart of any application. Without API testing, you are not even, they won't even accept you for next level of testing. API is everywhere. 90% of the backend applications are built on APIs only.
So one question. So do we also have API as part of this curriculum
We have
course?
API testing as part of this course. Anand.
Okay. 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 Thank you. Thank you.
So this API, Rahul, we are using in banks, right?
It can be in healthcare also. In healthcare also we use
Oh,
APIs.
oh, okay,
In
okay.
NC, the major notion that everyone believes is in banking only use APIs. What e-commerce also will use APIs. APIs are everywhere. APIs are everywhere. APIs are eternal. Okay. So if no one has any doubts, then I go for the today's concepts.
Yes.
New Java class, I will say continuation of strings. Let me discuss some functions related to yesterday's class so that it will be like a quick revision for you. Can anyone tell me the output of this function?
Length of the string, that is new stream of data.
Yeah, length of the string. What is the length?
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
18.
17, 18. Yeah, sorry, I was a bit slow. 18.
Clear?
17.
18.
18.
Okay.
What does b.len do? Counts the number of characters. When I say sys out, b dot is empty. What is the output?
False.
Why it is false? Because we are having some data in the string. Yeah.
Sorry,
Yeah.
Why it is false? I'm asking.
because it's
We are
not
having
an
a
string, right?
We're having characters. Yeah, we are having.
Okay. Now, today onwards, we are discussing. Now, from this function onwards, we are discussing all the new parts. B dot to uppercase method converts the string to capital letters. B dot to lower cases converts the string to small letters. Clear? Is this clear? Any doubts?
no.
B dot contains data. So checks if the given string contains the word data. If it is present, then it returns true. Else false. Can anyone tell me the output of the data?
It is true.
Contains data true.
Okay. Now what is the answer for this?
All the it would be printing as uppercase,
Okay.
and it is true.
It's true.
No, false, because I think Maybe there
It
might
says
be
it
a
contains the
flag
data, right?
It is
contains
false.
data, but it's not capital.
It's not capital letters. You're right,
So, but
Murli.
is there a flag to ignore?
You will see all those functions later. As of now, let's stick to this original function.
Why it is
That
false?
because I'm converting the string to a
Because of the
capital letter.
data.
Once I converted the string to a capital letter on that string, I'm checking whether the string contains the data which is in small letters. So it is false. Clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Now, is this true or false?
True.
True.
Why it's true? Because we have a space string.
Yes, we have space between.
Uppercase. False.
False. Yeah. I didn't check the.
No, we have space also before rest, right? So it should be
New.
Hmm,
It is true.
it is true.
Can you run that?
It's true. Clear, everyone, with the content? Checks if the string starts with the word new. What is the answer?
False.
starts with
Hmm?
true.
True.
Clear? All good? Now, what is the answer for this?
False.
So, Rajshekhar,
True.
we are just talking about the string functions. True or false? Give me your
Sorry.
answers in the chat box.
True.
Yeah. How about others? Give me your answers in the chat box. This should be very clear for all of you.
True.
True.
False.
Hmm.
Sorry.
Clear?
Why is it true?
Because I'm in the same string I'm passing here, right? So obviously both the strings are same. So obviously the condition will satisfy, right?
But it's not starting with the. Okay.
It's starting with the same string.
Okay. Yeah.
Hmm?
One more doubt. Will it consider the whole string as a start with value?
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
taking the whole string in the start with. So when I'm saying this, see, ultimately I'm comparing the same string here. There's nothing new I'm doing. Okay.
Okay.
Now, can anyone tell me the answer for 32?
True.
True.
No, it's true or false?
False.
False.
Which
False.
false? The data is same, right?
We are converting it to lowercase.
Okay.
In lowercase.
Now, is it true or false?
False.
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 Okay, all good. X of the string in with PA returns true if the above condition is satisfied. Where is the
True.
return? Sorry.
True.
True. True.
Now, true or false?
True.
False.
True
False.
or false?
False.
Okay, someone said true. Great. Now, what's the output?
True.
Ends
True.
with
False.
data, right? False.
False.
No, it's true or false, right?
False.
False or true?
False.
Okay.
False.
Someone are saying true, so just have a look at it. Clear? Any doubts so far? If everyone is clear, then I can go ahead with the next point.
Ends with
Clear.
B was false.
Sorry?
The second last statement that says ends with B, is it false?
True.
True, right? Okay.
Replacing the word of with the word with in the given string. Can anyone tell me the output of this program?
It would be replacing
New
Of
stream,
of
with,
with
a new
data.
stream with data.
with
Data.
Yes.
Hello.
Rahul, are you able to hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Rahul
Yeah,
is not
yeah.
there.
Now you are able to hear me? I was on mute by mistake.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So what is the output?
It would replace
Of it.
with new stream with data.
Yeah. What is the output here?
New streams of data.
It will not.
Spelling is wrong.
Because spelling is wrong.
Yeah, if the word to be replaced is not present in the string, then it will print the original string. It will not. It will return the original string. It will not throw any error.
Okay, so it will not throw any error.
Okay. When I say b dot repeat of 6, repeat the same string for 6 times. Clear? Is this clear, all of you?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Dot repeat count 6.
Sorry? Sorry, everyone. Okay. I request everyone to keep your mic. I request everyone to keep your mics on mute if you are not answering. Thank you. So, what does it do? Prints the character that is present at 5th index position. When I say 5th index position, what is the value here? So, when I use the word index position, we need to start counting the characters from 0. When I say count the characters from 0, I'll be like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So letter T will be the output of the program. Is this clear? Any doubts?
Yes, clear.
So this is how we find the character at 5th index position. Is everyone clear about index position? Because this word index position is something we'll be seeing it on a regular basis. Okay. You need to be clear with the index position. Whenever we say index position, you have to start counting from 0 instead of 1.
Repeat that. I think I just lost your voice at last statement.
Okay. Whenever I am saying the word index position, you need to start counting the values from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks.
What is the answer for this?
Oh,
It's space. It's a white space.
Nice.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a white space. Got it?
So we're taking spaces also into account?
Yes. What did I tell you? It prints the character. I didn't say in a letter or alphabet or something, right? It is a character. What do you mean by character? I can include anything, white space, numbers, small letter, capital letter, anything. Anything will
Okay.
pass it.
Yeah, got it. Thanks.
So, one question on the count one, the 56th line. So when you say 6 times it repeats, but if you
The
want to
same.
give a space in between that,
Want to give a
so
space in between, then In the original string only you have to modify.
No,
Got it?
oh, okay, like this.
In the original string only you have to modify it. Got it?
Okay, okay. Okay, thank you.
Now, what is the answer for this?
Character is not there at this index.
Okay,
So,
character is not there, what
something,
you're expecting?
so something
Error.
like that should come. Like it's not found something.
Null.
Yes.
No, it is not finding the index. So index stops somewhere, right? Is he guessing correct?
Yeah,
Sorry?
something like index not found.
It will throw an error. What is error? String index out of bounds exception. If the index position that we are trying to access is beyond the length of the string, then it will throw string index out of bounds exception. Clear? Any doubt so far? You are trying to access the index position, which is greater than the length of the string. It will definitely throw an error. All good so far?
Yes.
Now, what is the answer here? Can anyone tell me the answer here?
Same
Again,
error.
Error.
Error you are saying?
Same error. Because we are searching beyond the limit, right?
Okay, all good so far? Same error, we'll get it. When I say concat, when I say concat, dot concat is used to join two strings. Okay. Okay, this is how we get the data. B dot substring of 4 prints the string starting from 4th index position till the end. Can anyone tell me the output of this program?
Stream of data.
Stream of data.
Right. No?
EAM of data.
Hmm.
AM of data. Yeah.
M of data.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, can anyone tell me the output of this?
We should see an error.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe
Show A,
Mm-hmm.
value A. Because initially we found the string of the length of the string is 18. So I think it will display A.
blank string or space.
Yeah, so 18.
It will print an empty value because I'm trying to access the string that is present at 18th index position. That means I'm trying to access the character that is present at the last. Got the point?
Okay, okay. After 18, it is supposed to print, but it is 18 since it's 18. So we are getting it. Okay. But
Empty
it
value.
goes some error, right? No.
If I put 20, then it will throw an error.
Okay, okay.
This
But
is
we
like
don't have any space, right, Rahul, over there?
see, if there is no value
After the
that is
data, we
present
don't.
after, see, at that 18th position, you don't have any data, right? That is why it's giving me empty. You got the point?
Okay.
So it's like
Okay,
18
got it,
comma
got it.
18. There's no value, so it will return empty. It's technically right.
Okay.
But logically it is error, right?
Logically, it is error. This is the
Yeah.
edge scenario. This
Okay.
is where you'll be teased off.
Got it, got it.
So anyone can say the answer for 4 and 8. When they say that this, as per the length of the string, no one would say this answer. I'll tell you why it prints empty space. See the next function, you'll understand. So prints the string starting from 5th index position till the end. That means what? It is inclusive of starting index position and exclusive of end index position. Can anyone tell me the output of this program?
TREAM.
Stream. It will be word stream.
No, from dream. T.
It will be tree.
It starts with T and
It's stream, TREAM. Clear? Any doubt?
S is a 5th position, no? 0,
Yeah.
1, 2. So
Wait.
inclusive of
Start. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ah, it's 4.
T
Okay.
is
Yeah.
the starting position.
Yeah. No, it was wrong counting. Okay.
5, 6, 7, 9. It will not take the white space 10 because it is exclusive of n index position. Now we understood why it is not why it is printing a white space. Internally it takes b dot substring of 18 comma 18. So what did I say? Inclusive of start index position and exclusive of end index position. So both are pointing to the same thing. So obviously it will return an empty value. Got it?
So here in 5 and 10, it should print the space also, right?
Why? I told you it's exclusive of end index position. So it will take the values from 5th index position till 9th index position. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It will not take the 10th character. It will stop till 9 only because it's exclusive of end index position.
Okay, so if there is something present instead of blank, some letters are there, then it will take it.
Nothing. It will not take the 10th index position. Read this word exclusive of end index position. That means what? When I say 5, 10, it will take the characters from take the data from 5th index position till 9th index position. Okay.
Oh, okay, exclusive of n index position. So 10th it will not take, it will take -1. Okay, got it.
Yes. Now we are clear. Alright. Great. Now since you are clear, let's go for another one. Now can anyone tell me the output of this?
F.
F, only F.
Clear?
Yes.
Clear.
Sorry, Rahul, are you able to hear me?
Yeah, tell me.
No. M is the 10th one, and the white space is 11th, and O is 12, right?
Well, I'll tell you. Wait. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12th index position. Always start the value counting from 0.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay, thanks. Yeah, clear.
Clear?
Yeah.
Can anyone tell me the output of this?
Error.
What could be the error?
Index out of bound.
Rows, string, index. Okay.
If you change that to maybe 50 to 18 and 20 to some smaller value, reverse. I mean, instead of 50 and
Greater than
20,
86.
16, smaller than 18. How does
See,
it
forget
be?
about smaller or greater. First of all, this is not a scenario.
Yeah, not this. I'm just checking what will happen. We have a
B dot substring of. Now, what you're trying to say? You want to say 10, 8 like this?
yeah.
Clear? It will throw string index out of bounds exception again. Clear? All good?
Yeah, clear, Rahul.
Okay. Okay. When I say c dot trim now, removes the white spaces that is present before and after the string. Clear? So what will be the output? What will be the output, guys?
It would be
This is
just
the
this is the string with the white space.
Okay. When I say c dot strip leading, removes the white spaces that is present at the end of the string. It's a JDK 11 function. So at the start of the string, even I get confused sometimes. I'll remove the white spaces only at the start of the string. You see here, I still have my white spaces. Again, it's a JDK 11 function. Is this clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'll say string d equal to new data. I'll say string equal to new data. D dot equals e. Checks if both the strings are same or not. Case sensitivity matters here. Can anyone tell me the output of it?
False.
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 Now there is another function called as t dot equals ignore case e. That means what?
Then it will be true.
Case sensitive is
Not needed here.
in that case it is true.
Yeah. Then there is another function called as t.compare2. Returns 0 if both the strings are same. Returns positive value if the first string is greater than second string. Returns negative value if the second string is greater than the first string. Clear? Is this clear, everyone? Any doubts? So you might ask me, what is this positive value? What is this negative value? I'm confused. So dot compare to compares the values character by character. Okay. Here we compare the values of both the strings character by character.
In that case, will it
ASCII value comparison. So if you see here, what are the two strings? Here we have a capital N. Here we have a small n. So we have to remember this range of ASCII value in any point of time in future. For capital A to capital Z, it will be 65 to 89. For small a to small z, it will be 97 to 113. Yes. Yeah. For 0 to 9, it will be 48 to 57. And the white space will be 32. These are the common ASCII values that you need to remember, guys. So if you see here, what is the capital value of n? I mean, whatever is the capital value of n, you can calculate here. What is the capital value, ASCII value of capital N here? Can anyone tell me? What is the ASCII value of capital N?
$79.
What is the value? 49.
Okay.
What is the value you are trying to say?
No, 79. 79.
79. What is the value of capital N? Small n? What is the value of small n?
One 110.
111.
Triple one, yeah. So what is 79 minus triple one?
Minus 32. Correct.
Minus 32. So whenever you have a first mismatch character, now what it will do, it will compare the ASCII value of the first mismatch character. So fortunately, we got our first mismatch at the first index, 0th index position only. So it will compare the character that is present here. What is the ASCII value of capital N? 79. What is the ASCII value of small n? 111. So what is 79 minus 111? Minus 32. For the first mismatch character, whatever you have seen, it will compare the ASCII values of the two characters and it will return the output. As I have told you, if the second string is greater than first string, it will return a negative value. If the first string is greater than second string, it will return a positive value. Clear? Is this clear?
Yes.
Any doubts so far?
What if we have some space?
Hmm?
white space there.
White space? Which white space? Yeah, if there is a white space, then it will come. What is the ASCII value of white space? 32, right? Then again it will do a ASCII value comparison.
Okay.
I know today we have too many functions to discuss. So we have discussed a lot of functions. Yes or no, guys? Case sensitivity does not matter here. Clear? So how many functions I have to discuss? Index of is there. Okay.
If there is a no case sensitive, it's not a case sensitive. If there is a ignore case, then will it take a
0.
0? Okay.
In this case, it will be 0. Case sensitivity matters here. Last two functions, guys. I'm done with the tape. I'm done with the whole string form concepts. There'll be another 3-4 functions after this that we can take it up in the Monday session. So when I say d dot index of A prints the index position of the given character, prints the index position of the first occurrence of the given character. So what is the output here? What is the index position of capital A? What is the index position of A at the first occurrence? Can anyone count and tell me?
5.
It's 5. When I say d dot last index of A prints the index position of the last occurrence of the given character.
7.
I hope this is clear, everyone.
So is there a function that returns how many occurrences and at what indexes?
There won't be any function like that. Like in Python, there's a function called as count, like that you don't have in Java. We have to write a code for it, or else we have to have some external libraries for it. Advanced string manipulations. Okay. There is one more library called as arrays.aslist. There you can see all this stuff. Okay. As of now, in Java, we don't have a direct function. We need to use some other libraries. Okay, Murli?
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
So if no one has no doubts, first, anyone has any doubts, first of all, we have a couple more functions of strings to cover. I thought of covering everything today, but unfortunately, like I cannot cover. So next session, we'll cover some more functions. Like I'm left with 4 to 5 functions of strings. You might ask me, these many functions of string, do we really use it? Because for automation, we have to be strong with the strings. We need to have a crazy command over all the string functions. We're not having a good command over all the string functions, then it will be a problem for all of you. Not only in Java, any language, Python, Ruby, JavaScript, TypeScript, any language you go for automation, you need to be very sound in your string concepts.
So I have a question not regarding this today's concept, but since this is my first day, and I missed the previous sessions, so we will be covering the framework as well, right? So
Yes.
will
After the
that be
Selenium
like,
concepts.
sorry?
After the Selenium concepts, we'll be covering. We'll start working with one BDD Cucumber framework, one TestNG framework.
Okay. So will that be like enough to work on the project level, or Will that be kind of
Yeah,
a
that will give you a good kickstart for you to start working in your company. But ultimately, again, you have to start designing things on your own hand. When I'm sharing you any framework code, that doesn't mean that you can leverage completely on it. You have to learn how to replicate the same thing by yourself so that you'll understand what kind of challenges you face while designing the thing, so that whenever you're working in your organization, you can understand what kind of challenges you face and you can understand how to solve them. Got it, Anand?
okay? Okay, got it. And one second, last question. So you're using which ID? Like, is it
IntelliJ ID.
IntelliJ? So can we use Eclipse or should I go with
You can
IntelliJ
use
only
Eclipse
for
also, but I'm using JDK21. That is the reason.
JDK21? Okay. Okay, fine. I will do the installation and in case and we have next session on Monday, right? Monday to
Yes,
Friday,
yes,
right? This session.
yes, exactly.
Okay.
Rahul, I also had a question. So when you say, when you were mentioning about the function, you said this is after JDK 11. So if I'm using Eclipse, I'll be able to leverage those
Yeah,
functions
till
in
17 you
Eclipse.
can leverage. After
Okay.
17, I highly doubt.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
And Rahul, after this course, if we are stuck at our means we are in the project and we have some issues and we want to connect with you, take your
Yes,
advice, so
you
it's
can
still
still
possible
connect
to
with me.
connect with you?
Yeah, still you can connect with me.
Oh, okay, okay.
So
Thank you.
how to get connected?
Like there's my phone number. You can get connected in the group. It's already there. You can get connected. You can check the group description.
Why it is why Java 21 is not supported by Eclipse?
It's not supported means all the functions sometimes there are some preview features of Java which
Okay.
has released. Eclipse doesn't support all those preview features. Some functions it supports, some functions it does not support. IntelliJ is the prime sponsor for JDKs. Now in the latest version 24-25 also, IntelliJ is backing Oracle Java.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
It's all on business terms again I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Ultimately, whatever they say, we have to drive the show, right? We are
Correct. Got
That's
it.
again business terms, business things and all.
Yes.
So is that SPR, Rahul,
Yes, 1 minute.
ending with 200?
Yes, mine only.
Okay.
Okay. Anyone else has any queries?
But Rahul, I worked for so many companies. So most of them are using IntelliJ only.
Yeah. IntelliJ is getting a lot of popularity these days.
Right.
Even for developing Spring also, IntelliJ is the best one.
Correct. So many people use IntelliJ only. Yes, you're right.
Yeah. The ease of development for backend applications is easy for IntelliJ.
Yeah.
Like the components, you can easily build it. You can have a lot of annotations because Spring Boot has around 5,000 plus annotations.
Mm. But father of all ID is Eclipse. So Eclipse is an RCP product.
No. Now
Oh,
it's gone. Even
it's gone.
7 years back, I thought the same way. Last 7 years, IntelliJ is ruling the show.
Okay.
7 years back, I started my career with Eclipse.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Then later, I realized IntelliJ is much better than Eclipse. Before everyone said IntelliJ is popular, I started using IntelliJ. Later, I feel like once you get adjusted to IntelliJ, you don't feel like going back to Eclipse again.
Got it. No, what I'm saying is, through Eclipse, we can also create many IDs on our own.
Yeah, that is there, but IntelliJ is not a clone of Eclipse ID, first of all.
Correct.
It's a separate out and out build studio because Eclipse is developed by some Japanese people. This is maintained by some US people.
Oh, okay. Thanks for the information, Rahul.
Okay, great then.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Rahul.
Rahul, I
Thank
sent my
Yeah,
email
I
address.
got it. I received it. Yeah.
Yep. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.